This is Dubai's Souk Madina Jumeirah, and I'm very excited to be tasting the menu at Folly. I'm joined by two critically acclaimed British chefs, Nick Alvis and Scott Price. And I have a bit of a surprise for you. I've invited along the former head of the Michelin Guide and Jumeirah's chief culinary officer, Michael Ellis, to have a taste with me, so I hope you don't mind.
No pressure then, eh?
Thanks for having me. Nick, great to see you. Scott, it's a pleasure.
What have you got for us today, then?
So this is just it's pan-roasted sweetbread, carved sweetbread.
No, it's fantastic. Caramelized on the outside and still pink and moist and juicy on the inside.
So we just made a little pine nut salsa. So it's the lamb saddle with whipped pine nuts. We make an emulsion of the pine nuts. We toast the pine nuts off, infuse them in oil, and then blend them with egg whites to make a whipped toasted pine nut emulsion. And then we just serve toasted pine nut salsa with that. Mix in some of the trimmings from the lamb saddle. And then you've got some nice, just fresh chopped chili, a little bit of shallot and coriander. That's it.
The pine nut salsa is incredible. The lamb is absolutely superb.
So since you've arrived here, then, you mentioned the pine nuts as a nod to Arabic cooking. Any other ingredients that you've sort of picked up?
Quite a lot with chickpeas and sesame, so tahini and hummus. Kind of that idea has been incorporated into quite a few of our dishes over the last couple of years.
After that top-class meal over a coffee, I asked Michael about the rumours of a Michelin Guide coming to Dubai.
Well, James, after 5 months, what has really struck me about the dining scene in Dubai is just how incredibly dynamic it is. Given what I've seen on the culinary scene here in Dubai, the presence of the Michelin Guide is only a matter of time. And I think we here at Jumeirah and the Burj Al Arab have something for everyone. And I think we have a little surprise for you where we can have a bite to eat, and I hope you like it. Here we are, the iconic Burj Al Arab, and yes, you can have a great street food taco. Street food has been recognized by the Michelin Guide and sometimes even given a Michelin star for street food. I think the smoked Wagyu beef taco and the yellow ceviche are not to be missed. James, we started with the Dubai Food Festival when it started earlier this month. We are really proud and happy to participate with the Dubai Food Festival.
And actually, a little bit later, we'll be joining Nick and Scott, who we saw earlier, at the Dubai Food Festival for an event called Taste of Dubai. So after a food-filled day, what better way to finish it off than with more food?
Dubai is a unique city in itself. It's a celebration of cosmopolitan people living side by side, and with that brings an amazing mix of cuisine and culture that supports all of that. And that's what Taste of Dubai is all about. It's a celebration of our city, but also the amazing food that's being cooked here.
I thought I'd get my sleeves rolled up and try Nick and Scott's cooking challenge, but I don't think they were too impressed.
Love your plate.
Said it's carnage.